Do you want to own fully furnished apartment with 5-star hotel concept facility which is suitable for short-term rental income? Well, you are in right place. I have 2-bedroom apartment in 9th floor with amazing view and amazing facility. Hello everyone from beautiful Alanya. I'm Mesih, your real estate and investment expert with over 10 years of experience. Over the years, I help clients from all around the world who find their dream property in Alanya, selling more than 120 apartments, villa, shops, and offices to happy buyers who choose Alanya as their second home. Today, I'm excited to give you a tour of this amazing 2-bedroom apartment in Mahmutlar region of Alanya. So let's go and check it out today's offer. This 5-star hotel concept project is located in Mahmutlar region of Alanya and built on 9,900 square meter of land, featuring 2 blocks with total units of 442. Project is located about 13 kilometers from Alanya center, about 500 meters to Mahmutlar beach, about 30 kilometers to Ghazi Pasha International Airport, and about 130 kilometers to Antalya International Airport. The school, market, bank, restaurants are all within 500 meters, so you can reach out everything you needed. Stay tuned because in this video we will explore facility of this project and we will check it out inside our apartment in details. Let's get started. Let's go and see project facilities together. Welcome to this 2-bedroom apartment in 9th floor. As you're entering, we have our cupboards, so you can place your shoes, clothes, and everything. So in this apartment, it's fully furnished, so you don't need to invest or put something extra. From air condition, you have kitchen, white goods, including like plates and everything is over here. And also, this is our living room. As you can see that in our living room we have good lighting and 2 windows we have, and from windows we have access to our balcony. From balcony left side we have our activity area view, like complex view, which you can enjoy when children are downstairs. You can check it out from here. And right side we have Ekton Mall, which is one of the popular area in this area. So it's like a landmark. And when you're entering to our living room, so from living room we have direct access to our both bathrooms and also bedrooms. As we are going inside, in left side we have our bathroom, which is general bathroom, so guests and children can use it. And right side we have our children's or guest bedroom. So as you can see that there is really good with lighting. We have windows and everything. And as you're coming outside of this bedroom, we have parents' room or master bedroom. So in master bedroom also we have 2 beds, and lighting is also very good, windows, and we have a separate bathroom. So in bathroom you can see that everything is available. So this is our 2-bedroom. Thanks so much staying till end of this video with me. If you enjoyed this apartment tour, so kindly like, share and subscribe. See you on next video with new opportunities where we will explore how to get rich with real estate and 5 levels of real estate investment.